Earlier this year, we told you how weather-related postal delays were impacting St. Louis County's ability to process tax payments.
And while it seems most of the issues were resolved, Contact 2's Mike Colombo has the story of a county resident who fears she's still on the hook for hundreds of dollars in penalties and late fees.
Gina Cochran didn't think she'd still be talking about her real estate taxes in March.
I mailed that like a week before Christmas, like I always do. Normally it takes them a week or two to get through to it.
She says the checks she sent to cover her family's personal property taxes were received.
Those cleared on February 7th, which I think was the date that they promised that they would take care of everything.
But Gina's real estate tax check was never processed. She says she couldn't get an answer from the county about her account status.
I just thought it was a delay on their side, but then that penalty and interest notice came.
By early March, the penalties and interest on Gina's bill totaled nearly $550. Gina said she saw our previous reporting on the impact weather-related postal delays had on the county's ability to process tax payments. Will these be processed by the end of January?
We won't have all of December's payments processed by the end of January. It's looking now like hopefully by the middle of February.
In late January, the county's Director of Revenue, Tony Smee, told us he understood taxpayer concerns about penalties or interest charges showing up on their accounts despite paying on time. So if they're postmarked prior to December 31st, they will not have to pay any late fees, even if their payment has not yet been processed.
That's correct.
But with Gina's check seemingly lost in the mail, she says the county official she finally spoke with told her the opposite.
They said they could not, by statute, cancel the penalties and the fines associated because it had to be either mailed or paid by December 31st.
Gina wound up paying her bill online, but she says she was confused when she didn't see the extra costs listed.
I'm here left with wondering, do I still owe penalties? Do I still owe interest? Who all is this happening to?
Gina must have done a good job proving her case to the county. When we contacted the collector's office, a representative told us a supervisor deferred Gina's penalties, removing them from the system. The county says deferments are not given without evidence of timely attempted payment and are not given automatically, so the taxpayer must have provided adequate information to have been granted the deferment. As for the delinquent notice, the county says it was printed before Gina received her deferment and paid the tax bill online. Gina's account is now paid in full with no taxes, penalties, or interest due.
I will definitely pay online here out, but the problem is there's people that can't pay online. So, something needs to be remedied about this system that they have in terms of making sure that stuff that they get gets processed timely.
Mike Colombo, Fox 2 News.